Welcome back to Terrible at Fishing, and today I'm going to give you a great bargain on a necessary piece of equipment for every one of us. So stay tuned. Well, lo and behold, I put away, and I lost. I don't know how that happened. But anyway, guys might remember me buying a really nice net. And I thought I lost it inside the hull of my kayak. So I got out there and I'm shaking that thing and moving this way, flipping it. Looked inside. My net wasn't in there. Evidently, my net fell overboard. You just, you think you misplace it, but I lost it in the lake somewhere. That's the second net I've lost in the lake. And that's frustrating, isn't it? Losing a net. Because they come in handy once in a while, especially for trout. They got little mouths and they like to fall off of their hooks. So, I went online, and there are some things that you just learn. Okay? You just learn. One, you like the compactness of a folding net, and you also want that rubber coating on the net, because that really helps a lot. But now I want it to float. So, I know. You think that'd be easy, right? So I went online and I found this net from a company called Plussino. It kind of rhymes with Ruffino, right? And it's almost identical to the last net except for two big features that are better than my last net. One, it floats. Okay? It'll float. That's nice. This is nice. And it still folds up. Just like same thing as my last net, same thing, but also you can it telescopes. So now I've got a longer net, which once in a while that was kind of nice. But in a kayak, you don't need a long net, so this is as long as you need in a kayak. But it's got these little floaters on it, so this net will actually float for me. It is rubber coated, so your hooks will not go into the fabric itself. So much easier. You never buy a net without rubber coating on it, ever. And now, always get one that floats. I love the fact that these just fold right up. That is really, really nice. I'm going to tether this to my boat. Okay? So, this right here has a lot of great things. And the cool thing about it is this particular item, you won't believe how much I paid for it. Let me see. I gotta find it now. You won't believe it though. I know, the suspense is killing you. It is $19.99 with 20% off. So for $15.99, I'll put a link below. $15.99. You get a telescoping, floating, rubberized net. That is insane. Now, how much did I pay for my other one? The other one I got from my previous company, Cast King. And I paid, let me find here, landing nets. So it didn't fold. I mean, it did fold. It didn't float, and it didn't telescope out. And I ended up paying $26.99 for it. So $15.99, $26.99, better features in the exact same mechanics. Now, Cast King says that they have this proprietary thing that can, this they don't. In fact, lots of companies have this. So they kind of mislead you on that. If they invented it, they got a lot of lawsuits to go through. But this right here, $15.99 right now. Right now, $15.99. It's 20% off at $19.99. And if you're in a kayak, these are great. They do have longer ones and bigger ones, but this is perfect for me and my kayak. It's perfect. So $15.99. That's all this costs. It's got a nice EVA grip handle right here. That is a really nice handle on it. Like I said, the mechanics of it, I didn't have a problem with my last one on the mechanics, but it's the exact same thing. It's got a little belt clip here. So if you're out wading in the river or something, you got this hanging, you can just take it out, flip it out, and scoop up your fish. That is a pretty good deal. I mean, check this thing out. Check it out. Go to the link below. Hit like, hit subscribe. And let me just tell you, that is a great, great bargain. So anyway, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Pretty soon we'll hit 500 and I'll give away that $50 gift card to you. In the meantime, guess where you'll see me? Whether it's hard, whether it's soft, you'll see me out on the water. Take care, everybody. Now it don't get any better than this. I said, yeah, all you do, shut up and feel.